Nutricost electrolyte powder. Tastes really good, and I think it's very economical. Basically, I was going through a lot of the other packets, the prepackaged stuff. You get maybe 30 in a pack, and it's like 30 bucks. This you get 120. This was recommended to me by my brother. So this is what the stuff comes from, and so basically it's a lot more economical. That's what I'm trying to say, and it's pretty sweet. I usually fill it up like about that much, and I put it in this giant Yeti. And I drink 1 to 2 of these a day, and it just makes the water so much more palatable, and I'm able to drink it. I've had this for probably about a month, and you can see how much I'm using it. This is 120 servings, but you can see how I use it. I don't like stuff overly sweet, so I use maybe like 80% of the scoop. You can see this comes with this little scoop. So I really like this stuff. I'll definitely be buying it again. They say you're supposed to put a scoop like in a water bottle, but I just feel like that would be so sweet. So I put it in this, I shake it up, and it's plenty sweet enough for me. I really highly recommend it. It definitely is a lot cheaper than those packets. Now, if you're traveling, you're not going to want to bring this with you. That's where those packets come into play, I think. But yeah, 0 sugar, fruit punch flavored, sweetened with stevia. Has 7 minerals and vitamins. So this is the stuff here. I highly recommend it. It tastes great.